Owlto Finance is a decentralized cross-roller bridge focused on layer 2s, providing a low-cost, secure, and fast asset transfer solution. So Owlto Finance has recently raised $8 million and they have an active points program that will later be converted into Owlto tokens. The way to earn the Owlto points is you have to come here, bridge from one chain to the another chain. That is one way. You can come here and you can claim these free check-ins that are daily available, and these can help you rack up your on-chain points, and I will show you this and even bridging in this tutorial. And also you have these active programs, so if you bridge to blast you will get an additional 200 points, and if you bridge from blast you will get additional 200 points. So you have to take advantage of all these process. So here I will show you, I will bridge some ETH from blast to scroll, and in this way I will hit the double target, and this is your way of earning these points. And Owl2 is a very cost efficient way to bridge across different chains, and Owl2 supports most of the L2 chains that you need. So it's a really good solution. So let me show you. So first I'm choosing the chain as blast. You can use the search function here. Let me search blast, and in the destination chain let me search scroll. So I have searched scroll, and the token I'm using is ETH. So you can even choose the token you want to bridge, and let's say I want to bridge 0.005 ETH. So just like that, you have the transaction, you have to click on send, and as you can see, from blast to scroll it will be in my address, and the arrival time is just 30 seconds. Destination cost is 0.001 ETH. Depending on the price of ETH, it's around $3. Fee is free for now, and so click here and you get 365 points. Just click here, confirm the transaction, it will be transferred within a few seconds to scroll, and I will show you the points also. So, so as you can see, I have racked up the points, and now my points are at 2000 from 1600. I have got this blast bridge from blast point. And second step is you can come here daily and you can click here on claim daily check-ins, and you can rack up your on-chain points for the projects you are farming. So this is an additional way of farming this protocol. Really simple and easy to use, and the airdrop will be within next few months, as they have hinted, in around next 1 to 2 months. So make sure to take advantage. And as you can see, if you'll if you'll use my referral link, I will get some commissions, but you can share it with your friends and you can get some commission out of it. Like if you keep on increasing your bridging transaction, you will get a higher multiplier, and that will help